School is almost out for the summer. Students who have yet to have vacation plans can explore their artistic side this summer break. There are still a few days left to apply for Art Rules Aruba. Mayela and Darlene were loyal students of Art Rules Aruba, now turned ambassadors of the arts program. They say Art Rules Aruba provides an affordable, one-of-a-kind platform for kids on the island to learn more about the arts.
Well, the arts education program is not only about the art, it's also about discipline. It brings a lot of value to your education, like academic value is very good, but being able to do something else aside from it is also great. We have a lot of local talent, and sometimes they don't really get the necessary platforms, especially kids who sometimes can't pay to go to schools, art schools here. We have a program where they can apply and they can write motivation letters and chances on getting scholarships to come in for free.
Art Rules Aruba brings in professionals from abroad. The students are shown a different side of the art form from these professionals.
It's very important for kids to want to follow up, to want to become artists, to get experience from other artists, both international and local artists, so you get a better world view of how it is in the art industry.
Darlene says the Art Rules Aruba's program is more than meets the eye. The instructors of the programs brings a new perspective to the students. They educate them on the different avenues they can go to for career opportunities within the art.
Well, it was really a really great experience, nothing that you can experience in any other program here, for what I can tell. I took the photography class the first time I went in. The second year I took film. I just wanted to have a look at it, see if maybe I would like that better. No, it turns out I love photography, so I stuck around for photography, and it was a great experience. The teachers, they teach you all these things, and they don't just teach you about the discipline itself. They teach you what the world of photography really turns into once you want to become bigger in it. There's like all these options you have. You don't just take pictures of one subject. There's all these branches you can break out into. So
no experience, no problem. All you really need is that drive to want to be involved and to learn.
Even if you don't have any experience, you can do this program. That's one of the really good things about it. You don't really need any experience to take it. All you need is that motivation, as we said. To apply, all you need is a motivational letter, and every application that we accept is based on that. So if you're really motivated into that art, that whatever art discipline you love, then that's all that really matters for us.